I think a lot of times when we graduate from college or when you're in that like late teen, early 20s stage, you think that you're gonna get a job and it's going to be the best thing ever, and that's not the case most of the time. I'm 27 and I have had over 30 jobs. My first job was when I was 9, delivering newspapers, which I don't count, but the job that I do count is me being 12 years old, holding a church's chicken sign on the side of the road, child labor, potential for getting kidnapped, but I was not the cutest child, so I don't think that was an issue. I've had many jobs and I started working at a very young age, and today is actually the first day of a new job for me, and I can say that this is the closest I've gotten to having my dream job ever. So what I'm kind of trying to say is, if you don't like the position that you're in, or if you think you're never going to get your dream job, calm down, because you just need to focus on the skills that you are learning and think about and do research on what skills do you need to get that dream job or to start going down the career path that you really want to. Your first job is not going to be your dream job. Good morning, everyone. Y'all, it is my first day at my dream job. I am so excited. I started in 15 minutes, so I just want to say hi real quick because I had a pretty productive morning. It is Monday and I wanted to start off my day really strong because this is new for me. I haven't worked a corporate 9-to-5 job in a few years. If you've been with me for a while, you know that my last job was in 2021. I left that job in 2021 in February, and I honestly never thought that I would go back to working a corporate job because I am a full-time entrepreneur. But over the past few months, I've really felt this pull to working for a company that was aligned with me and that I could grow in and learn from, because 9-to-5s are amazing. Like, if they are aligned with you and if you are doing what you love and you are helping a company and you're part of a team, it can be so incredible. But what's not incredible is when you are working at a job that you feel you are just another number and you don't love what you do every day and you don't have your purpose there. But I feel like this really aligns with my purpose, my values, and the company culture. And my company's culture is really similar, and it is in the creator economy. I am a full-time creator and I do this full-time, so it's going to be amazing to work for a company and learn the other side of the industry as well, because I am still going to be creating content, obviously, and making this vlog, and I have a lot of things that I've been working on. But a big reason why I've been able to do this and take on this job is because I have a full-time virtual assistant who I've talked about, I think, in some of these videos, but definitely on TikTok. But she is holding down the fort while I'm going to be working this job, making sure that everything is running smoothly on this side of the business. And of course, Girl Boss Abroad, my digital nomad course, if you want to learn how to work remotely and be able to travel the world while you're earning an income from your laptop. I have a full course training guide that I just released recently, and you can buy it down below. It has everything you need to be able to find success in this kind of lifestyle. Of course, this job is fully remote too, so like I said, it's very aligned. But for me, in this role and this new lifestyle that I'm stepping into, this new routine, I'm gonna make sure I move my body and get outside every morning before I start work. So whether it's going for a walk for 30 minutes or going to a workout class, I want to see the sunlight in my eyes, and I want to walk and I want to move my body. Whether it's Pilates, training with my personal trainer. I went to yoga this morning at my gym. It was hot yoga and I couldn't decide whether I was going to wash my hair or not, but I didn't. So it's a little sweaty, but it's fine. But yeah, drinking some tea now. Going to also make sure that I'm taking breaks, hopefully outside. It's so hot right now. And this is my outfit. Work from home vibes. I have a bodysuit on, necklace, and then comfy shorts because I don't think they're gonna see past my legs. But I'm so excited. It's seriously like everything in my life is coming together so well. There's so many changes, but I think I'm so happy with where I'm at. And something that also might be changing is where I'm living, but that is another video I'm going to start making very soon, because I think when I'm going through these transitions and these shifts and kind of like quantum leaps, I really feel like I'm quantum leaping right now. My career is going really well. My relationships are going really well. I feel like I've kind of outgrown the space. I love this apartment and I love this chapter, the chapter of my life that this apartment served me in, and everything about it. And it's honestly my home and I made it my home, but I feel like I am elevating my life, and to do so properly and to really reach that next level, I do need to change my space. And I don't think I'm going to leave Austin, but I think I am going to move into a newer apartment in Austin, downtown. I am downtown, but in a different part of downtown, but I'm going to go really downtown. But I will film a separate video on that, so make sure you subscribe if you want to see all the apartment tours and everything, because I know a lot of you are interested in a life in Austin. But I'm going to get my workspace set up and get ready for the day. Let's go. So before I start my big girl job, I'm just getting everything squared away with my virtual assistant to make sure she has everything she needs for the day to work on Girl Boss Abroad, my YouTube, everything. My English right now is not the best, so bear with me. But I will be posting a new YouTube video today, so she is getting all the details and everything done for that. My YouTube channel is my baby, you guys know. And so I'm spending a lot of time on this, and I really want to share with you guys everything that I'm doing with work and my life, and of course being a digital nomad. I'm actually going to New York on Sunday this week, and then Pennsylvania. I will be vlogging everything. I'm back on my vlog game. Check out my old vlogs if you haven't already. But I want to document this process so that way you guys see what it's like, but also the tips and tricks I have to be really successful in this, because it's going to be such a shift for me to be losing a lot of time and managing my energy. And I'm never going to let go of my sleep. That's a non-negotiable for me, and working out and eating healthy. So I'm going to show you how I manage all of that too. But I'm going to finish this workup and get started. I'm joining my first meeting. It is 9:15. Oh my gosh, wait. My meeting doesn't start until 9:30. Okay, I am gonna chill for a second. I'm having my first break. I am out of practice vlogging, y'all, but everything's going well so far. It's mostly HR things, super random, but gluten-free bread, and I'm just mashing up these figs and putting it on top with lots of butter. I've been on a huge gluten-free bread and butter kick lately. Not the most aesthetic, but this is what I'm eating. I just wanted to have some fruits or vegetables. Trying not to drink coffee that much, but I feel like my energy is a little, y'all, this is a struggle. Coffee Element chocolate salt, y'all. These are the best for adding to your coffee because it makes it a little sweet, but it has no sugar and it's all electrolytes. They are my holy grail, so I'm putting some of this in here. I have 2 minutes before I have to turn my camera back on. I have to turn my camera back on. Round 2 of meetings. Honestly, everything is looking pretty good so far. It's just a little boring, but that's HR stuff. I'll catch up with you guys on my next break. It's so chilly in my apartment. I turned the heat up, or I turned the air conditioning down, but I just ran outside to check my mail and get outside for a bit. And it finally feels like the weather might be cooling down, like by a degree or two. It's still probably 100 degrees outside, but I would love to go for a walk on my lunch, but I'm not going to do that because I don't want to get sweaty and gross and then have to get back to work. So I'm just going to do that after work, and I'll bring you guys with me So far, everything is going so well. It's just been a lot of onboarding, HR stuff. I really can't wait, to start my role. And I'm so excited to actually get into what I'm doing, because what I've been doing full time on my own is basically a similar role to what I'm going to be doing at this company, but this is going to be more structured and give me more guidance and also more stability. Being a full-time content creator can be amazing and you can make so much money, but there's a lot of instability in it that many people don't know, because you only see the highlight reel of content creation, and a lot of the people that you see are people who have got very viral and made a full career out of it. And I'm not saying I haven't, because I make a full-time income from it. However, it's the stability. I could be making less from this job than I am from my content creation entrepreneurship career, but having and knowing that I will be making a certain amount of money each month gives you some sort of confidence and also just relaxes you a little bit. But I'm really excited for everything to come. I just made a salad and some salmon that I made yesterday because I want to eat as healthy as I can. I know that I'm not moving as much, I'm staying inside a lot. I also wanted to talk to you guys about the digital nomading aspect of this job and what I'm doing. Like I said, this job is fully remote, and that was a big, almost non-negotiable for me, because yes, travel is such a huge part of my life and I don't want to stop traveling, but at the same time, I feel like you really go through this evolution of travel throughout your 20s, especially, where you grow up and you still travel, but you do it in a different way. And I'm not backpacking anymore. I'm not couch surfing like you might have seen in my YouTube videos from a couple of years ago, but I am traveling. But having something that I am working on and proud of and can take with me, my business and my job now, is going to be so amazing to be able to share this whole experience with you and my career progression, but also everything else that I'm doing. I'm going to New York, like I said. I'm going to Jordan next month, and I'll be bringing you guys with me. I'll be working from both places, so I'll share how that goes. It's going to be very interesting, but I think it should be fine. Well, a lot is happening. By the way, bodysuit is Aritzia. Absolutely love Babaton bodysuits. Shorts are Aloe. Both are linked on my Like to Know It, so link is in the description. And necklace is Majuri. See you guys in a bit. The work day is done and the lighting in my apartment is so bad, which is why I am about to go tour an apartment. My massage therapist, body worker, exorcist is not free today, but my friend who's a real estate agent is. She is so well connected in Austin when it comes to real estate, and like I said, I'm gonna try and move out of my apartment. I love this apartment, but I just want to go somewhere a bit more modern, especially since I'm starting this new job, which I just started today. Eating this chocolate, cashew butter by Hue. They're so good, but I need to not eat this, but so good. So I'm wearing this bodysuit, put these jeans on from Zara, on these Air Force Ones I got from Kip. But let's go look at this apartment. I'm so excited. I literally have my camera. Is this how people do it? They just put it on their dash. Anyways, I feel like I didn't wrap up my workday, but it was so good. My team is amazing. I feel so supportive. I also feel like I know what I'm doing and confident in this role, which I could not say about my role in tech sales. I felt like I was so flustered and confused the whole time I was there. Yeah, I'm so excited for this job. It's going to be amazing. I feel like I'm not going to feel as anxious and stressed as I did. And I'm literally going to be doing what I do already. So I'm really excited to share what company it is too. And I think I'm going to soon, just because it's going to help me at work and it's also going to help you guys, and it's just going to help the whole situation. But I'm currently on my way to go look at this apartment. I'm so excited. I'm meeting my friend there. All this moving stuff happens so sporadically, but I will share more in a different video and take you guys along with me as I'm touring apartments. I'll show you guys this one in this video, but I will make a separate video dedicated to that. But my camera on my dash is honestly making me so nervous right now, so I'm gonna just stop vlogging. But I'll see you guys there. This is Caitlin. She is the best real estate agent in Austin for all of your needs.
And then personal rooms over here, bathroom, and room. It's so beautiful in here.
Yeah, it looks great. It looks brand new.
It is brand new.
This is very nice.
16. Yeah.
I love that it's so bright. I love this apartment. Oh, the closet's huge. Ah!
Yeah.
And it's so long.
This too. I like this.
Oh, yeah.
Nice and good for grabbing.
That's how, yeah. The bathroom layout's good.
Yeah.
Y'all, this apartment.
This is not even the best one bedroom.
Really?
Actually, the other ones I've seen are 2 bedrooms.
If there's a unit with the view of the other side, that would be amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is like the same but backwards. If I was left-handed, I would like this one, I think.
Yeah, so this one must be smaller.
But this is still beautiful. You can see the Capitol over here, all the way back there. Indeed, this building is going to be super cool. So Caitlin knows what every single building that's coming up is going to be. She's like the encyclopedia for
buildings.
for Austin buildings.
Square footage is 993.
That's where I go to for my fun facts
But
about
also
Austin.
look at the countertops versus the other
Oh,
two.
yeah, that's it. I want the white.
You
Yeah,
like the white?
Mhm,
Okay, I was
for
gonna say,
sure.
The color scheme is so different here.
Yes. You guys, this one. I want this one. Maybe if I wasn't living by myself, I would get this one. I feel like this has two beds, two bath. That building there is independent. You can see this is Hanover Park.
This is the
Republic Square Park. There's a good farmer's market there.
Oh yeah.
This is so beautiful.
Conference rooms downstairs as well.
If you want to see more Austin real estate, you can click right here, but I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.